Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to switch on and off the child lock at your back side doors on your Vauxhall Corsa MK4. Have a seat on the back bench of your Opel Corsa, Vauxhall Corsa MK4, and then you are going to open the door. Here it is. It is easy to open instead or while driving. This is not a nice safety if you have some passengers like kids. For this, Vauxhall Corsa MK4 has a child lock. Look at the frame of your door, of your rear door. Here you can see a lock. This lock will match with your key. And then you can go and rotate the key left turn. 90 degrees, I think. Then let's test it. Yeah. And now let's try to open the door. Here now. The children's safety system is switched on. The safety system is really nice because now your children are not allowed to get out of the car while driving. It is a little bit a sieve control too, because if you have switched on the child lock, no one can open the door from the inner side. That means no thieves, no car jackers will get into your car immediately by smashing your windows, of course. So now let's open again the door from the outer side. This will work too. Then let's switch off the child lock immediately. Rotate your key into the lock and then 90 degrees rotation. Now the door is able to open from the inner side. Here it is. Good job. This how your child lock will walk on your rear bench. Easy going, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel. This will work on both side doors at the back side bench. Soon.